Why are humans so different from other animals? Why do we have so much technology? What is driving all of this? And where are we heading? We live in a complex world, surrounded by vast buildings with great technologies, rich in culture, with complicated financial and legal systems. A world where biological evolution has practically ceased. The reason why the world is the way it is because there is another quantity called a meme. No, not just the silly picture memes, but these are also memes themselves, which is now evolving. A meme is an idea, or just a piece of information, usually transferable between humans. Memes evolve because just like genes, they have the three basic requirements for an evolutionary system. Copies are made as people tell each other things. Mutations or mistakes result when ideas are exchanged or manipulated, and the fittest or best ideas survive. As crazy as it may sound, memes would have started with simple head or hand gestures, or just grunts between humans, followed by basic auditory or verbal communications. From this, through the evolutionary process of memes, language evolved. Lots of languages, in fact, followed by writing, printing, radio, telephones, televisions, visual communications, and so on. Anything and everything that aided the spread, mutation, and evolution of memes. The spread of memes took a dramatic upward turn with the invention of internet, wireless communications, and smart devices. Humans have become what Susan Blackmore has termed meme machines, helping to spread these memes to others as much as possible, using and inventing new devices and means to expedite the processes or memetic evolution. The number of such devices and means of communication is steadily increasing, so as to further enhance the evolution of memes. The internet was invented by us, for us, and for memes, by the evolving memes. Now that the genie, or should we say Mimi, is out of the bottle, there is no turning back, and we are in for a wild ride. The memetic world has come about as humans exchange and refine ideas, ever building upon previous knowledge. Memetic evolution is aided by the extraordinary capacity and desire of humans to copy each other, their uncanny ability to be creative, and the enormous amount of information that is stored and shared on memetic devices like books, computers, and the internet. Biological evolution has resulted in all of the amazing living creatures around us, with their extraordinary and amazing capabilities and features. So the question is, what has resulted from the evolution of information? The answer is everything else around you that does not have a simple biological reason for its existence. This includes the clothes you wear, the buildings around you, the car you drive, the way you style your hair, your beliefs, culture, science, technology, all the gadgets in your home, tools, computers, occupations, businesses, and the financial, social, political, and legal systems. Memes now influence or control the evolution of genes, as science manipulates genes and medicine saves the sick from dying, to the point that biological evolution has practically ceased. We also control the environment around us and influence the lives of other living creatures. In order to survive in the memetic world, as opposed to the biological world, we all have to find something we can do to contribute to humanity. Generally, this involves a career which enables us to live comfortably or otherwise. We all seek to find our memetic niche in this world, something which we are good at, that enable us to earn money in order to be able to buy other memes, services and meme products. Soon our lives will become more and more entrenched in memes, and more of our lives will move into cyberspace. We will also need to find employment in the new cyber world. Our purpose in life is now one of fulfilling our memetic goals instead of our biological goals. This explains why many people today do not even want to have children, why we often put our careers ahead of our families, why many of us strive to be famous, or at least want to be listened to, and why we perpetuate the illusion of self. Ultimately, humans will be superseded by robots and artificial intelligence. Our future is limited on this planet, and the best we can do is send some of our memes into space. Isn't that what it is all about anyhow? Spreading our memes and not our genes. We humans are not that special in the grand scheme of life and evolution. These ideas are discussed in Dr. George Christus's book, The Memetic World, The Origin of Man and Mind, and the Evolution of Information.
Well, the more you know, the more you ask, you know. The more you know, the more you want to know, and it just keeps going. It's an infinite fractal. Knowledge is an infinite fractal, and we're just constantly just, you know, sort of pushing through and evolving.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I'm writing it one down. That's a good one.
And so that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you all soon.